Hey folks, name is Russ. I'm the product lead at Zipchat and I'm really excited to share with you what we have been cooking for the summer for you as a Zipchat merchant and your end customers. See, at Zipchat, we strive to be the most simple and effective AI chatbot for e-commerce. So looking at our dashboard, this isn't simple. We were looking at it and we said, okay, we need to rebuild this from scratch because it's too complicated, especially if you're a new user, you don't know where anything is. There's like bubbles, there's like badges, there's like this and that and that. And we looked at the Raptor engines from SpaceX and we said, geez, our product needs to become simpler with each version, not more complex. And we're a startup, like we try to ship things fast and we just put them somewhere and you end up with this. So we said, okay, let's do a hard stop and rebuild everything. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the new Zipchat UI. I know, looks like something is missing, but I promise you it's not. We just cleaned it up, we organized it, and we made it a little bit better looking. So you can see the dashboard is still there, same dashboard that you used to. If you have sales tracking enabled, you will also see your sales stuff, sales numbers and stuff. But what I'm really proud of is that we finally have a date picker that you can actually change the dates of. I know it's a basic feature, but trust me, it wasn't that basic to build. On top of that, we have a new conversations UI that we're really excited about because we finally shipped a feature you guys been asking for, chat filters. You can now filter by vote rating, if they're upvoted, if they're downvoted. If they have an order and you have sales tracking, you can filter by that. And it's way easier to see what you've seen and what you haven't seen. And by the way, the best thing about this part of the UI and the whole new UI is that it works on your phone. You can open the Zipchat app on your phone and you can manage your conversations, you can manage your chat, you can manage everything. We also have better chat settings, a better account view and stuff. But what I'm also really excited about is that we've gathered all of the AI training stuff into one place. Before that, you had to find chat instructions in one place and then figure out knowledge base is something different and then do corrections, and it was all over the place. But now there is a simple AI training tab and you can manage everything that goes into the context of your chat from the same place. On top of that, we have a new brand and a new website. We worked really hard for it. We like it. Hope you like it too. You can check it out on our website, zipchat.ai. But what I want to talk about actually is our AI responses. As an AI chatbot, we know this is the core of our product. We're delivering great responses at the right time to the right customer. So we spent 50% of our development time on just improving the AI quality responses, and we're constantly testing different versions of the AI. This summer, we've shipped so many improvements, but the biggest one is that we've completely rebuilt our AI flow. And now it features a lot of techniques like chain of thoughts reasoning and multi-agent checking. So we can deliver way better responses. With this approach, we've managed to reduce hallucinations by over 50% and to increase conversion rate and customer happiness by 30%. You can see now that if you ask Zipchat something, what Zipchat will do, it will first display different statuses of what it's doing, and only then will actually respond to the customer. So it's doing a lot of thinking that the customer can't see, but this makes it way better. On top of that, Zipchat is way more capable than ever. For forward requests, we have way better stability, which allows you to program Zipchat to forward requests for things like cancellations and even ordering via the chat like alop.bg is doing. For order tracking, we now support not only Shopify order tracking, but you can actually connect any third-party system that you use for orders, and Zipchat can look into this system and bring feedback back to the user via an API call. You can do this from the integrations tab in chat settings, and you can connect your API key and endpoint and look at the documentation we've prepared for you. This is the new Zipchat. We've worked really hard to get it to here, and we'll keep working in order for you to get better responses, better conversion rates, and way better user experience for your customers. If you have any feedback, feel free to use the chat bubble in the bottom right. We'll be waiting for you to tell us what we need to improve further.